You know it's for them too.
Yeah.
What time did you fly?
Yeah, it's not terrible. Probably enough.
Turns out this isn't a demo. It's actually only a variable speed controller. It's meant for fans, and it's not very fast. It's not very fast on high. Here we go. It's really powerful though. And that one's 2-speeded, this one's 3-speeded. So who's weaker? I don't know why they're different, but this one does have 3 speeds. The other one's 2-speed.
Come here, Wyatt. Come here. Sit behind that. Tell me about the hotel room, your pops, and Gigi. What else did you see in that room?
Or is it on? Yes.
Did you get in bed with pops and take your name?
Said this morning.
Yeah, it's on.
What's the food like?
Never mind. This one is 2-speeded. It's just that that one has high off, low off. This one has high, low off. I don't know why. But just a disclaimer, it's on a variable speed, so don't worry about it. It's not on a dimmer. I always thought it was on a dimmer. It's not. I mean, look.
Remember, my mom was like, Casey, can you pick that up?
It's on variable speed.
We have no internet in Africa.
So there you have it.